Good evening. Welcome to Hindi is Easy. Today we are going to do the line by line explanation for the lesson Batuni Kachua, lesson 5, class 4, Vaani Hindi Patmala. Hope you would have seen the previous video, the line by line reading of the lesson. If not, I'll give the link in the description box. Watch the video along with the book and read the lesson 1 or 2 times to check your pronunciation. If you're still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and recommend among your friends circle. If you have any clarification or feedback, put in the comment section. I'll surely reply back. If you like the video or the video is useful for you, please click the like button. Your subscription and like will motivate me to add more videos. If possible, you can join as a member of my channel to support my effort and time. So before getting into the line by line expression, let's have a quick introduction given in the book. So पाठ चर्चा बातुनी कछुआ पाठ में 3 दोस्तों के बारे में बताया गया. So here lesson they are told about 3 friends. तालाब सूख जाने से मजबूरीवश हंसों को दूसरी जगह जाना पड़ा. Since the ponds were getting dry due to the heat, they were forced, मजबूरीवश means they were forced to go to some other place. पर वे अपने दोस्त कछुए को नहीं छोड़ना चाहते थे. But they don't want to leave the friend tortoise. एक हंसों ने उपाय निकाला कि वह कहीं से एक मजबूत डंडी लेकर आएंगे. So they have made an idea that from somewhere they will bring a strong stick. मजबूत means strong. और उसके दोनों सिरे अपने चोंच में पकड़ लेंगे. दोनों सिरे मीन्स द 2 ends of the stick they will hold using the beak. और कछुआ बीच में उसे अपने मुंह से पकड़ लेगा. एंड द tortoise will hold the stick in the middle using the mouth. इस प्रकार वह एक डंडे पर उसे लटका कर in this way by hanging the tortoise in the stick they can fly, उड़ जाएंगे. लाख समझाने पर भी अपनी बातुनीपन की आदत के कारण अंत में कछुआ अपना मुंह खोलकर अपनी जान गवा बैठता है. In spite of telling many times, बातुनीपन is the talkativeness because of the habit. The आदत is the habit that the tortoise had. It has opened the mouth and it has fallen down and lost its life. So the story teaches us that if we will fail in our life, if we do not correct our bad habits, or if we are not able to keep up our promise. So here there are 3 friends, 2 swans and a tortoise. They are living in a lake, and due to the heat, the lake was dried up and they decided to go somewhere. So they made an idea to take tortoise along with them using a stick, but the tortoise opens its mouth and because of being talkative, it opens the mouth and it falls down and dies. So जो पशु या पक्षी पानी में रहते हैं उन पर गोल लगाइए. So here is the activity given. The animals or the birds that stay in water, you have to put a round mark. Can you do it? What are the animals and birds that live in water? Just observe the picture and do it correctly. पाठ का संदेश. So the message of the lesson which we are getting is किसी भी आदत की जब हम अति कर देते हैं. सो इफ़ यू गो टू द एक्सट्रीम लेवल, अति करना मीन्स इफ़ यू गो टू द एक्सट्रीम लेवल ऑफ एनी हैबिट, तो वह हमारे लिए हानिकारक हो जाती है. इट विल बी वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. हानिकारक ना हार्मफुल. एनी हैबिट इफ़ यू गो डू ए एक्सट्रीम लेवल इट विल हार्म अस. इसलिए जो आदत हमारे लिए नुकसान का कारण बने, सो द हैबिट्स which will bring some loss to us, नुकसान ना लॉस கொண்டுவர हैबिटा இருந்துச்சுன்னா हमें ऐसी आदतों को छोड़ देना चाहिए. we have to leave such habits. So this is the message we have to take from the lesson. So you should not go to the extreme level of following any habit that will bring some harmfulness, and if something is harming you which is giving you some loss, those habits you have to cut down. Now let's see what is the objective given here in the book. पाठ का उद्देश्य सोच समझकर बोलने की सीख देना. So you have to learn that whatever you are telling, you have to think and then understand and you have to say out. रिश्तों की सच्चाई से निभाने की प्रेरणा देना. So whatever the relationship you are maintaining with your friends or your relatives, you have to do it truthfully. उन्मया रखना to the relationship. This motivation this lesson gives us. मित्रों और हितैषियों की बातों पर अमल करने की सीख देना. सो मित्रों इज द फ्रेंड्स, हितैषियों इज वेल विशेस. सो इफ our friends or well wishers are telling something will be for good for us, so we have to execute that. அமல் பண்ணோன்னா we have to executionல கொண்டு வரணும். just that okay சொல்லிட்டு we should not ignore. So these are the objectives which we have to take from this lesson. Next is various competencies which we can learn is you can identify the adjectives, विशेषण पहचान कर प्रयोग करना सीखेंगे and use the adjectives in your sentences. खुद में सुधार का प्रयास करेंगे and self improvement, खुद ना self सुधारना, improvement पढ़ना, correction, self correction और self improvement के you will try. प्रयास is try. दूसरों की गलतियों से सीख प्राप्त करेंगे. So if someone is doing some mistake, from that you have to learn. It doesn't mean that always you have to do the mistake and you have to learn. No, if you are doing like that, then the life will get wasted. Instead, if someone is doing the mistake and they are learning, you also have to learn from their mistake. It doesn't mean that you have to do the mistakes always and learn. सीखने की प्रतिफल, द लर्निंग आउटकम, भाषा की बारीकियों के प्रति सचेत रहते हुए लिखते हैं. सो यू विल बी एबल टू राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द न्यूसेंस. बारीकियों मीन्स द न्यूसेंस, लैंग्वेज और न्यूसेंस தெரிஞ்சிட்டு यू हैव टू यूज इट करेक्टली. अपनी बुरी आदतों की तरफ ध्यान देते हुए उन्हें छोड़ने का प्रण लेते हैं. सो यू हैव टू टेक ए ओथ और प्रॉमिस, प्रण नाउ ओथ और प्रॉमिस. Knowing your weakness, knowing your bad habit, you have to change that. Concentrating and knowing the bad habits which you have to take an oath that you will leave those bad habits. छोड़ना means to withdraw பண்ணி விட்டுறது. ध्यान means you have to concentrate on those bad habits and you have to correct it. किसी आदत का जीवन में क्या प्रभाव पड़ सकता है, इसका विश्लेषण करते हैं. Any one habit that comes in our life, what is the side effects of it, what is the influence of it, you have to analyze. So any one habit that you are following, if something is good is happening, okay, that analysis gives a good result. Okay, if something is giving you bad thing, then the analysis will tell, right, okay, by practicing this habit I'm not able to work continuously, I'm not able to study continuously, so you have to stop that habit, right? So you have to analyze which habit is giving you the best result or which habit is giving you the negative results. So you have to analyze the habit and you have to change accordingly. So like see, if I'm having a habit of sleeping late night, so next day I won't be able to get up and in the school I won't be productive. So you have to analyze and see that you are sleeping early so that you are productive in this class. Okay, so this is one such example. Now we understood what we have to learn from this lesson and what is the brief of this lesson. Now we'll read line by line and understand the story. So this is a पंचतंत्र story, very interesting story. एक तालाब में दो हंस और एक कछुआ रहते थे. So in a pond there used to be 2 swans and 1 tortoise. कछुआ and another tortoise. हंस और ना swan. तीनों अच्छे मित्र थे. The 3 were very good friends. कछुआ बहुत बातूनी था. कछुआ was very talkative. बातूनी is talkative. So he used to talk for each and everything. So there was a pond where the swans and the tortoise used to live, right? So there were 2 swans and the tortoise. They were very good friends. जब वह बोलने लगता तो चुप होने का नाम ही नहीं लेता. So when he starts to talk, he will not be quiet. कामावे इरक माटा. He'll keep on talking. चुप होने का नाम ही लेता means he will not stop at all. Not stop, the tortoise will be talking. हंसों ने उसे कई बार समझाए. द स्वैन मेड हिम टू अंडरस्टैंड. हमारी सैया कुड़ा दे, दिस इज नॉट ए गुड हैबिट, यू शुड नॉट बी टॉकेटिव लाइक दैट. द स्वैन्स हैव मेड द टॉर्टॉइस टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. जो बहुत बोलते हैं, हु इज टॉकिंग टू मच, उन्हें कई बार हानि उठानी पड़ती है. दे हैव टू कम इन टू द लॉस और दे विल बी पुटिंग देमसेल्फ इन टू द लॉस. सो द टॉर्टॉइस, the swans have explained to tortoise many times that you should not be so talkative. The people who are talking too much, they will be in loss. They have to face some loss anytime in the life. So in spite of giving all those instruction advice, what happens to tortoise? Let's see. अतः कम बोलना ही उचित होता है. So we have to talk very less, like that the swans are instructing the tortoise. कछुए पर कुछ देर तक तो उनकी बातों का असर रहता था. So for some time, when we also get the advice for 1 or 2 days we follow, right? So like that for some time the effect was there. परंतु वह अपनी आदत छोड़ नहीं पाता. But he has not changed, he has not left his bad habit. Again he will be talkative. Again the swans has to make him understand that you should not talk. Again for 2 days he he will follow that, and third day he will again do the same thing. He was not able to skip his bad habit. Let me ask you a few questions. So if someone says your weakness, how you will accept it? In a negative way or in the positive way? Yes, if you are taking in the negative way, then you cannot improve. If you are taking it as a positive way, then there are chances where you will work on that and you will improve yourself. So what are the ways that how you can improve or correct your bad habits? Put in the comment section, okay, how you will improve your bad habits. How can you check yourself whether you are doing something better? Whom will you ask? Yes, the first point of contact to check yourself is with your parents. So you discuss everything with the parents and understand, and they are the true people in this world who will guide you correctly. So these things you have to keep in mind, okay? You have to discuss everything with your parents. What will happen if you are not correcting our bad habits? Put in the comment section what will happen if you are not correcting your bad habits. Okay, let's move to the story. एक बार अधिक गर्मी के कारण नदी तालाबों का पानी सूखने लगा. Because of the more heat, गर्मी ना heat नाले, the water in the river and the ponds started to dry out. सूखते गए means it started to dry out. जिस तालाब में हंस और कछुए रहते थे, and in the pond in where the hens and कछुआ used to stay, वह भी सूखने लगा था. It also started to dry out. दोनों हंस, the two swans, उस तालाब को छोड़कर they wanted to leave the pond, किसी अन्य स्थान पर चले जाना चाहते थे. They wanted to go to somewhere, some other place where water is available. परंतु अपने मित्र कछुओं के कैसे छोड़ जाएं? So how they can leave the friend? We cannot leave a friend and go to some other place, right? So they also wanted tortoise to be with them. So they were thinking what can be done. दोनों ने कछुए से अपने मन की बात कही. So the both said what they felt to the tortoise. मित्र, तुम तो जानते ही हो कि हम पानी के बिना नहीं रह सकते. So you know very well that without water we cannot survive. हमने निश्चय कर लिया. So we have determined, we have decided कि हम किसी दूसरे तालाब में चले जाएंगे. We will go to some other pond. ये सुनकर कछुआ उदास हो गया. After hearing this, the tortoise became so sad. Udhas na sad. So because of the heat, all the water was drying up and there was no water in the pond. So every animals and birds were moving around, finding some other place where they can find water. So the swans also wanted to shift the place because they cannot live without water. So thinking this, they wanted to convey the same to tortoise, and they were telling to tortoise that we are planning to go away from this place because we cannot live without water. Hearing this, the tortoise became so sad. एक दिन हंस को एक उपाय सूझा. So one day the swan got an idea. उपाय सूझा means idea has come in the mind. उसने कछुए से कहा, went and told to tortoise, हम कहीं से लकड़ी की एक मजबूत डंडी ले आते हैं. So from somewhere we'll bring the strong steady स्टिक. मजबूत ना वेर स्ट्रॉन्ग आर का स्टिक எடுத்துட்டு வரோம். हम उसके दोनों सिरे अपनी अपनी चोंच से पकड़ लेंगे. सो दोनों सिरे मीन्स दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द स्टिक्स वी विल होल्ड यूजिंग आवर बीक. चोंच ना बीक. और तुम बीच में उसे अपने मुंह से पकड़ लेना. एंड इन द सेंटर यू होल्ड इट यूजिंग योर माउथ. फिर हम उड़ चलेंगे एंड वी विल फ्लाई एंड गो अवे फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस. इस तरह हम जहाँ भी जाएंगे, सो वेयर एवर वी गो, तुम भी वहीं पहुंच जाओगे. यू विल ऑल्सो रीच द सेम प्लेस. ये सुनकर कछुआ खुश हो गया. सो आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस आइडिया, टॉर्टॉइस बिकेम सो हैप्पी. हंस ने कहा, नाउ स्वान टोल्ड. So whatever the dialogue delivery is happening, then we have to put in the quotation mark. This you have to understand, right? So after Hans is telling, we have to give a alpaviram, a small pause. लेकिन तुम कसम खानी होगी. सो बट यू हैव टू गिव ए प्रॉमिस. कसम ना प्रॉमिस कि तुम रास्ते में कुछ नहीं बोलोगे. एंड ऑन द वे व्हेन दे आर फ्लाइंग यू शुड नॉट टॉक एट ऑल. यदि तुमने अपना मुंह खोला, इफ़ यू आर ओपनिंग योर माउथ, देन से पॉज, तुम नीचे गिर पड़ोगे. यू विल फॉल डाउन. नीचे गिर पड़ोगे में कीला विंद्रवे. कछुआ बोला. नाउ कछुआ सेड गिव ए पॉज. ठीक है, ओके. सो व्हेन वी आर सेइंग यस और नो, यू हैव टू गिव ए अल्पविराम. कमा शुड बी देयर. मैं ना बोलने की कसम खाता हूँ. आई विल टेक द प्रॉमिस दैट आई विल नॉट टॉक एट ऑल. The swans got an idea that they have how they can take tortoise along with them, but they are telling to tortoise that they have to do a promise because the tortoise, they know about the tortoise as it is very talkative. So they have told him that till we are reaching to some other place, you should not open the mouth, otherwise you will fall down. So tortoise, after listening everything, the idea, everything, it says that okay, I'll take the promise, I'll give the promise that I will not open the mouth when we are traveling. So the swans, somewhere they bought the stick so that both the swans can hold the stick on the other both ends, and tortoise can hold the stick using the mouth in the center. So the tortoise liked the idea and they said that one day we will go from this place. कुछ दिन बाद 3 मित्रों ने एक लकड़ी को पकड़कर उस जगह को छोड़ने की तैयारी की. So after some time they decided and they planned to go out of that place. அந்த இடத்தை விட்டுட்டு போறதுக்கான ரெடி பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. They were making preparatory works to move out of that place. इस तरह दोनों हंस कछुए के साथ लेकर उड़ने लगे. And in this way the 2 swans were taking the tortoise and were flying. थोड़ी ही देर में वह एक गांव के ऊपर से गुजर रहे थे. एंड आफ्टर अ वाइल दे वर पासिंग ओवर द विलेज. गुजर रहे थे मीन्स दे वर पासिंग बाय. नीचे गांव के कुछ बच्चे उन तीनों को देखकर तालियां बजाने लगे. एंड डाउन द किड्स वर देयर, द विलेज किड्स वर देयर हु वर सीइंग द सीन एंड दे वर डूइंग क्लैपिंग. तालियां मीन्स दे वर क्लैपिंग सीइंग this scene because no one would have seen 2 swans taking a tortoise using a stick, right? ये देखकर अपनी आदत से मजबूर कछुए ने कुछ कहने के लिए अपना मुंह खोला ही था. So by seeing this, it's a talkative tortoise, right? So it wanted to say something in return. So मजबूर means helpless tortoise opened his mouth that वह नीचे गिर पड़ा. He has fallen down. अपनी प्रतिज्ञा भूल जाने के कारण because he has forgotten the promise. Pratigya is promise. Since the tortoise has forgotten his promise, उसे अपनी जान से हाथ धोना पड़ा. It has to wash the life. हाथ धोना means washing, the sense had to lost the life. So they started to move. One day they started to move from the place. So this is how they were holding the sticks. On the 2 sides the swans were holding, and in the middle the tortoise was holding with the mouth. So as they were passing by, below they saw the kids who were watching it and they started to do the clappings. So the helpless tortoise, he wanted to talk, to give some reply to those kids, and it opened the mouth. So as soon as it opened the mouth, it started to fall down. So it started to fall down and it has died. From so high it is falling down, right? And it has lost its life. So since the tortoise has forgotten the promise that it will not open the mouth, it has died, right? सच ही कहा गया means truly it has been told. फजूल की बातें, फजूल is unwanted talks, unnecessary talks. करने से हानि ही होती है. When you are doing unnecessary talks, unwanted talks, it will bring a loss for us. It will harm us. So someone has said this truly only. So here few vocabulary is given, right? We will read that. Vocabulary based on characteristics. फजूल, जो किसी काम का ना हो, व्यर्थ, वेस्ट, विच इज़ नॉट यूजफुल फॉर एनीवन. प्रतिज्ञा इज शपथ, कसम, प्रॉमिस. खुश इज प्रश्न, हैप्पी. सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द मॉरल ऑफ द लेसन. सो यू शुड नॉट टॉक अननेसेसरली. इट विल क्रिएट सम हार्मनेस and put us in loss, and you should be able to keep up your words. You should be able to keep up your promise. So in the life we should not be so talkative, and we should keep up our promise. So if you have any doubt or clarification, put in the comment section. I surely reply back. Thank you, students.